Okay guys, I'm just going to show you this car. So in terms of condition, it's not going to be a great video unfortunately, but the workshop is a little bit dark and the guys are going to start working on the car now. Anyway, so just looking around the rear of the car, the boot lid is nice and tidy. As we were saying, there's an automatic tailgate on that, so that'll open like so. The previous owner, as we said, had a modification done in the boot, which is this along here. That's coming out today, and then just the boot cover had an incision put in it to accommodate it, so I'm going to get that replaced, so it'll be back to square one. There's two little bolts either side. It's probably difficult to see just down there on either side, so I'll be putting little grommets in there just to fill those and have it nice and tidy. But after that, in terms of condition throughout on the boot, it's quite nice. And then we know along here that that can be done from the key, or you can do that from the door along through there. Looking down the side of the car, I'm going to get a machine polished because it is black. It's like, I mean, look, the paintwork is quite nice. I don't think you'll have a problem with that there, and the bumper is quite nice. That rear rim is in good condition. I don't know about brakes and tyres yet, so we're going to have a look at that, so I'll be able to tell you more about that. Quarter panel looks good. All the way down the side of the car, the panel work is original and nice and straight and dent free. In terms of the inside, this is the really nice part of this car, so it's a full beige leather interior. Along through here, Chilux and rear windows. The beige leather as you've seen before, and obviously the glass roof then up above. So the floor is in nice condition, vents in the rear. This seating setup is all nice and tidy all the way throughout, as are the seat backs. Bits of drinks holders in through there, an armrest, Isofix over here, and Isofix on the far side as well. You will get 3 child seats across the back, but not really fully with Isofix in. But condition quite good, and then EXs just have those scuff guards going in and out in through there as well. Same on this section over here. You have front and rear electrics for windows. That's a bit of dust just from whoever was sitting in the car. The driver's seat, always a real wear and tear area. This is quite nice actually, I gotta say. Those areas are the areas that wear the worst on beige leather interiors. I'd be quite happy with that car in terms of that, and same on the passenger side as well. And onto the floor, in through here there will be USB and auxiliary and all that kind of stuff in through there. Seat heaters in through here. After that then you will have economy function, park sensor front and rear, headlight washer, lane change warning. As we were saying then, this is the car that will have just, I think, the cameras in reverse. Is it going to pick up the mechanic? No, it doesn't really. It only picks it up as a car. So, oh sorry, my handbrake's up. Whoops. If you have the handbrake down, that would have picked up cross monitor traffic. So if someone's coming from the left or the right, it'll do that. And then if we watch the wing mirrors, when someone drives up behind you on the right hand side on your quarter panel, you get that little orange light to warn you something is there, so you shouldn't change across. As we were saying, reverse cameras in through here. After that we have other functionality, which is going to be things like navigation and audio and trip information and just general Android kind of features in through here. We will have the iMid function for average fuel consumption and all that kind of stuff, and that's telling you there then what is the current speed zone that we're in, which is dead handy. And in through here we've got a speed limiter and also cruise control over through there. Bluetooth down through here. I can close over this if I want as well. It doesn't close actually fully, well it does actually, but it doesn't close as I'll show you here now. So if you look here, there's still a wee little gap, so it's not always flush. It's not that there's anything wrong with it, that's just the way it is from the factory. But I think if you've got that kind of setup, why would you leave it closed anyway? It's quite nice. Seats are electric in through here, back, forward, up and down and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to open this back up. Apologies for the quality of the video. This iPod does not do well in dim light. This is electrochromatic, so if someone drives up behind you at night, it darkens itself. Seats will have electric function in through here, and then after that moving on to the front wing, condition is quite nice. These are xenon cornering headlights, fog light function in through here, headlight washers, front sensors to go with the rear sensors, and that's quite nice all the way through there. Front bumper is in good condition, as is the front left hand corner of the bumper. There is some stone chipping, so you'll see in through here, well, it's a reasonable amount, but I mean you're going to get it on a black car, I think, that's 3 years old. So small bits of stone chipping, we will tidy them up to the best of our ability. and then after that we'll just machine polish the rest of it all the way down the side, which is going to be onto that wing, and those two doors down the side are all original, and then they look dent free as well. Once we've cleaned it up again with the machine polisher, if there's any dents that are exposed, we'll get it in through the we have a dent erase expert. If there's any, I don't see any, so we should be okay. So that's pretty much just a quick overview in the car. I'll give you a shout pretty soon and we'll talk about it then.